Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Open the camera app and switch to cinematic mode right away. Select your frame rate, 24 for filmic motion or 30 for smoother action, and pick the lens, 1/2x for wider, 1x for standard. Tap the main subject to establish focus. Once done, hold to engage AE/AF lock so exposure won't jump. Make sure live HDR is off if you want consistent grading later. And position the subject with some depth between foreground and back. Now you'll shape the scene. Use tap to focus while filming to prompt a focus pull and swipe up or down to tweak exposure quickly. When you want a focus rack, tap the second subject deliberately. Hold and move your camera slowly for a natural transition. You can also lock focus, then nudge the camera to refine framing. After recording, open the clip in Photos and use the depth slider to increase or decrease background blur. This is why you shot with distance between subjects. To finish, trim your clip and refine depth keyframes in Photos so focus pulls happen exactly where you want them. Export using the highest resolution available and confirm your chosen 24 or 30 FPS stayed consistent for smooth playback. If focus randomly jumps during recording, first enable AE/AF lock and try again. If problems persist, restart the camera app or toggle cinematic off and on. One troubleshooting tip: low light can confuse autofocus. Add soft lighting or switch to a lens with wider aperture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.